To use golden chips on Bet365. So over here we only have information about this since we don't really have a golden chip. But to use a golden chip, of course, you're gonna know how to get started and how to get it in the first place. So how it works is basically stake the amount stated in your email and or web message on eligible live casino games. Then you can accept your golden chip via the in-game pop-up message. At that point, you can just enjoy your golden chip on a wide range of live casino games. So you should be able to see that option depending on what game you choose. So at that point, you can just use your golden chip. But for other terms and conditions to qualify for a golden chip, you must stake the amount stated in your email and or web message as we just mentioned. And you will have until the date stated in your email to complete this staking requirement. You will be notified of the completion of the staking requirement via a promotional in-game message which will give you the option to accept or decline your golden chip. If you select accept golden chip, your golden chip will of course be awarded automatically, and if you select decline golden chip, then you are declining the offer and you will not receive a golden chip. You will have 7 days to claim your golden chip, and once accepted, you will have another 7 days to use it. Your golden chip must be played as one unit as well and cannot be split into any smaller amounts. So it's just a whole bet. Golden chips are a free bet as well, and there's no wagering requirement attached to them. Any win from them will see the winnings returned to the player, but not the value of the golden chip itself. Your golden chip can be played on any live casino game, excluding live high-low and live slots. But that's pretty much the information you can use to lead you to be able to use the golden chip. Again, of course, you're gonna have the golden chip first, and it's gonna be available for most games. But hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.